over the edge. Feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear I weighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
हाय गाइस, हमारी दुकान है, लाइक फॉलो कमेंट जरूर करना।
हमारे भाई को सपोर्ट करो भाई गाइस। चलो
अगर पूछोगे कि लाइक मैंने पूरे मेले का व्लॉग बना दिया हूँ और मैं मेले में से कुछ लाइक ख़रीदा नहीं या कुछ ट्राई नहीं करा या कोई झूले में नहीं गया, लेकिन फिर भी मैंने ये व्लॉग बना दिया हूँ, तो मैं ये व्लॉग कैसे बना सकता हूँ जब मैं कुछ करा ही नहीं तो मैं सबसे ईजीएस्ट आंसर दूंगा कि मेरे पास लाइक पैसे नहीं है ये चीज़ के लिए और ये सब चीज़ लाइक वर्थ इट नहीं है। एंड ये सब चीज़ में लाइक टाइम एनर्जी स्पेंड नहीं करता, क्योंकि जब मैं लाइक 80 साल का हूँ या 60 साल का रहूँगा तब मैं ये सब चीज़ों के बारे में लाइक केयर नहीं करूँगा, तो मैं अभी क्यों करूँ। और एक और चीज़ ये है कि लाइक मेरे पास कैपिटल नहीं, क्योंकि मैंने कैपिटल अलग अलग चीज़ों पे एलोकेट करके रखा हूँ और ये सब चीज़ों पे लाइक मैं कैपिटल एलोकेट करने लगा। तो the day when I allocate resources and money for like these type of things, that's the day when like it's the death of basically my oneself, and I'm like not going to do that, because that's just not who I am, and I will never be that, and I won't regret that in like after 40 to 60 years. So why would I regret it now? And it's not like worth my time and effort. You can see like the statue of Alexander the Great, and it like really scares me a lot because I'm extremely competitive, and Alexander the Great have achieved so many great things at quite such a young age, and I absolutely like love him, and he was like a great ruler, and he's like Alexander the Great, and he basically crushed the entire Persian army and conquered the whole known world by the age of 26, and he died like at the age of 31 to 32, and he did not live like very much. And imagine if he like lived for like more than like 10 and 20 years, then he would, I think, probably conquer the whole Asia, and I would not be like live today, and the world would be like very different than it is now. And Alexander was like a great conqueror and a great military strategist, and even like Napoleon admired him, and a lot of he was like the kings of kings, and I want to like be like him basically. And his teacher was Aristotle, and I especially love Aristotle, and Aristotle is like a Renaissance man, multidisciplinary guy who actually love very much, and I've pretty much study like all of Greek philosophers like from like Socrates to Plato to Aristotle and a lot of other philosophers as well. And I think we should like study philosophy and should history, because like listening and reading about Alexander basically inspire me a lot, and it motivates me a lot to basically work and work harder, and it creates a lot of pain for me, and that pain basically is like the fuel to action, and that pain like drive me really hard. Or you can see that yes, it's like the headquarter or like the building or the corporate building of Johnson and Johnson, and Johnson and Johnson is like a really great company, and I've read about it in the book Good to Great and Built to Last, and I've basically had the name of this company from like Jim Collins. And Jim Collins, if you are watching this video, man, I actually love you very much, and I want you to invite to basically in future to consult me, and I'm willing to pay like millions and millions and even multi-millions and even billions to basically talk to you, and you are like amazing man, and your books are like very very great, and they have like changed my life and my business. मैं अब भी एक बड़े बड़े यूट्यूबर से मिला हूँ, और इनके कितने सब्सक्राइबर हैं भाई आपके?
मेरे 4,24,000।
नाम, चैनल का नाम?
इज़ आर्यन बॉय मेरे चैनल का नाम है। अगर जो कोई भी मेरी गेमिंग चैनल से रिलेट करते हैं तो भाई को सब्सक्राइब करो, लाइक करो, बेल आइकन दबाओ और आगे बढ़ाओ। थैंक यू।
भाई का इतना बड़ा चैनल है भाई, मैं सोच नहीं सकता भाई। मैं मेरा हेडफोन जो है ना, मैं उधर फेंकने वाला था भाई,
नहीं भाई, नहीं
उधर
भाई।
फेंकने वाला था भाई मैं मेरा हेडफोन। भाई इतना बड़ा चैनल है भाई का। भाई भाई भाई
भाई ये भी मेहनत करेंगे, तुम भी मेहनत करो, आप सब हो जाओगे। बट डिफरेंस इतना है, आप देख रहे हो हम कर रहे हैं, आप भी करो, आप भी हो जाओगे। बेस्ट ऑफ लक भाई को भी, और मैं खुद को भी कर रहा हूँ, बट क्योंकि मेरा मोनेटाइजेशन ऑफ है, भाई का भी चालू हो जाएगा। जब भाई का चालू होगा तो भाई भी बंद करेंगे, भाई का एग्ज़ाम आएगा। आप भी पढ़ाई करो, मैं भी कर रहा हूँ, भाई भी करेंगे, बट साथ साथ में कंटेंट क्रिएशन भी करो। अगर आप कंटेंट क्रिएशन करोगे तो आप बहुत आगे जाओगे। जो ऐसा कहते हैं ना, सोशल मीडिया में कुछ भी नहीं है, जो करते हैं उन्हें पता है। लोगों की बातें मत सुनो। जैसे देखो हम यहाँ पे तालाब के पास खड़े होकर व्लॉग बना रहे हैं, वैसे ही आप भी ना हम लोग को देख के सपोर्ट करो थोड़ा यार। तालाब के बगल में खड़े होके बातें कर रहे हैं, बातचीत कर रहे हैं, हमसे ना थोड़ा रिलेट करो। हम भी आपके जैसे ही है, तो हमसे रिलेट करो, हमारा व्लॉग देखो, भाई को भी सपोर्ट करो, ठीक है? थैंक यू।
So it is a vlog of fair, and I did not buy anything, I did not try anything, because I think it's not worth my time and energy, and I just don't like it. And I don't have money for it, because I have allocated money for specific things, and after few years you will know how much a great capital allocator I was. And I honestly think that I don't deserve to enjoy, and yeah, that's it. And I don't care. I really don't care, and should not care. And I really don't care about fair and enjoying life, or basically about people and buying stuff, and basically having fun and doing crazy things. And I just believe in working, and I think that I just don't deserve that.